friends, in this video of Vedic mathematics I want to talk about Sutra 2 once again, because so far we have seen multiplication of single digit where the base is 10, okay, and we've seen also multiplication of two digit number where we took base as 100, and three digit number we took base as 1000, right? And in all this multiplication, the numbers chosen for multiplication was closer to the base. For example, 9 into 8 or 98 into 57, 97. You observe that these are very close to the base. So when you subtract the base from this number, and the difference is very less, and it's easier to multiply. So for example, 998 into 993, these kind of numbers are very easy to solve because they are very close to the base. And if you don't know how to multiply using the second sutra, watch all my previous videos where I showed you how to multiply these two digit, single digit and three digit numbers with examples. So what we are going to do here is, today we are going to see a sub sutra of the second sutra of Vedic mathematics, in which we are going to multiply a number like 43 into 43, which are far from the base. If you look that it is very much far away from the base 100, or if you look at the 10, it is still away from the base 10, right? So you cannot do that. You cannot multiply this in your head, because when you subtract 100 minus 43, the difference is so large that you cannot multiply in your head. Therefore there is a small trick, a sub sutra in the second sutra, that will help us to solve this kind of problems. So for example, solving this problem, what we have to do is we have to take a base very near to this number 43. So let's say 100 is my base, then I have to divide 100 by 2 and I will get number 50 as my base. Now you have to subtract 43 from the base 50, which is going to be negative 0.7. Because why negative? Because number 707 is less than the number our base 50. That is why we are writing negative 0.7. And 0.7, because this is a two digit multiplication, so we have to write like this. We have to write two places. Similarly, this one also is going to be negative 0.7, and the answer has two equal parts. One is the first number and the other one is second number. Okay, the first number you can get from subtracting cross in either direction. So let me subtract 0.7 from 43. So this will give me something like 36. Yes, and cross multiplication of 0.7 into 0.7 will give me 49. So simply write down this number. Simply write down this number 36, and here you write 49. But we are not done yet, because the reason is we have done a division of our main base, which is 100, to get 50. So here what we have to do is repeat that division once again. Divide 36 by 2. So if you divide 36 by 2, you are going to get 1.8, and this number you simply write it down 4.9. And let's check this solution in our calculator. So my answer is 1849, and number which I am multiplying is 43 into 43. So 43 into 43 is equal to 1849, which is the right answer. Okay, suppose I want to multiply the same 43 into 43 using the second method. There is one more method. So I want to multiply using second method. Here what you do is look at the number 43, and you will find that the 43, the nearest number to 43 is 40 or 50, right? So you can take base as 10 and multiply that with some number. For example, let me say 4. That will give you your new base, which is 40. But the base is less than the number itself, so you have to write the difference in positive, +3. Also write it down, write the second number of +3, and now you can compute. So this time we are going to do a cross addition because there is a plus sign, so we have to do a cross addition. 43 plus 3 will give me how much? 46. Yes. And cross multiplication, the vertical multiplication, will be 03 into 03 will give me 09. So you know that solution is divided into two equal parts. So I have to write it like this. Part I'll write second number is 09, and this number 46 is going to be 46. Now in this example, in the first method we simply divide it by 2. In this method, what we did with the base is we multiplied the base with 4. So we have to multiply with 4. The first number you multiply with 4. So you get 6, 4, 24, and 2 balance. 4, 4, 16 plus 2 is 18, 184. Now in this case, what you have to do is you cannot have two numbers here. Okay, because you have to add this number to the first number. So add this number 0 to the first number, 184, and write it down, write the second number as a solution. So my answer is 1849. So friends, I hope you learned something today. So these are the two methods by which you can multiply numbers that are far away from the basis, okay, and easily find the solution. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel for more video like this.